Creating a sales page on System.io is a simple and effective way to market and sell your product or service. Follow these steps. Log into System.io. Access your account at System.io. Create a funnel. From the dashboard, go to Funnels and click Create New Funnel. Choose Sell as your funnel type and name it. Click Create. Add a sales page. Inside your funnel, click Add Step and name it. Select Sales Page as the type. Browse through the pre-designed templates tailored for sales pages or start with a blank one. Click Select to use a template. Customize your sales page. Use the drag and drop editor to add compelling elements. Headline. Write a clear, benefit-driven headline. Product description. Explain your product's features and benefits. Images or videos. Showcase your product visually. Call to action. Add a prominent button like Buy Now or Get Started. Testimonials. Include customer reviews for social proof. Add payment options. Connect your payment gateway and set up the product pricing. Publish your sales page. Save and publish your sales page. Share the URL through ads, social media, or email marketing.